Another question that we get asked a lot is, how long is it going to take for you to obtain my foundation repair permit? Garrett?
Well, certainly over the last 2 years, the construction industry has not slowed down. The demand has been just as high or higher than ever, but the amount of people that are able to work in an office has been affected by the events of the last few years. So that has stretched the timeline out. For the initial engineering's report, it probably takes about 2 or 3 weeks to get that submitted. And from there, it's kind of in the city's hands. And that could take, for a larger city, a very long time, 6 months or so. Smaller cities might do a little bit of a better job.
Yeah, and just like what Garrett was saying, the construction industry hasn't slowed down, and I mean, any industry right now, whether it's fast food, city plan checkers, or even the construction industry, we are in a labor shortage like crazy. So everybody's fighting for the same people to get back. Cities are the same way. So like I said, it's just a shortage of people, and like Garrett was saying, the construction industry hasn't slowed down, and it's just getting extended out. And if there's more construction going on in your city, you can expect that timeline to be extended out just because of the amount of projects that are being submitted for them to review.
Yep. But the good news is Dalinghaus Construction is monitoring the whole situation. Our office is communicating with the city, and we're doing our best to kick that can down the road and make it go by faster.
Exactly. All right. Thank you for joining us again on another episode of You Ask,
We Answer.